Hey everyone! Today, we have some news that's got everyone talking. Raheem Sterling has taken a major step in his life by getting baptized. But why did he decide to do it now, at this stage in his career? Let's break it down. Raheem Sterling, the football star born in Jamaica and now a key player for England, has recently decided to get baptized. You might be wondering, what sparked this decision? Well, according to Sterling, it's all about rediscovering his true self and refocusing on his core values. Raheem has been on a roller coaster journey, from his early days in Jamaica to becoming one of England's most successful footballers, playing for big clubs like Chelsea. But with all the success, there's always a catch, right? Sterling admits that over the years, he started getting caught up in the fame and the glamour, which led him to lose sight of what really mattered. He revealed that he felt a strong pull to refocus his life and reconnect with his faith. Sterling shared his testimony with his church congregation, saying he realized he had been chasing the wrong things, driven by ego rather than purpose. He spoke about his desire to provide for his family and how, along the way, he began chasing what he thought he wanted, only to realize it wasn't his true calling. He openly confessed, "I could see that I was chasing my ego, going into different environments, doing certain things, and coming to the realization that this isn't what I truly want." Wow, right? It seems like Sterling is taking a deep, introspective look at his life, trying to figure out what truly brings him peace and purpose. Is this a new chapter for Raheem, both personally and professionally? Will we see a different side of him on the field or in the public eye? What do you think about his decision to get baptized now? Is this a trend among athletes, or is Sterling paving his own way? Do you think more public figures should follow Sterling's lead and reflect on their deeper values? Or is this just another phase in his life? Share your opinions in the comments below.